Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to transfer your assets from Binance to KuCoin. Alright, so I take it that you have your accounts on both platforms. Now let's just start on how to transfer the assets. So to do so, go to your wallet and via spot, then look for the coin that you want to send to KuCoin. Like if you find it in here, you can just click on withdraw, or if you don't see it in here, just type in the name of it in here and it will appear. And now go to withdraw. Okay, so here is the coin and here is the address that we will be sending to, that we will be getting from KuCoin, and this is the network. All right, and there is some details in here which shows that the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT and the network fees starting from the lowest is 0.8 USDT to 24 USDT. Alright, so to check the networks, you can just click on here and see the difference between all the networks and the fees for using each network. Okay, so if we use the Binance chain, it will cost us 1 USDT, but if we are using Binance Smart Chain, it will only cost us 0.8 USDT, which is the lowest fees in this list here. Alright, and the highest is Ethereum, of course, Ethereum with high gas fees. So now in this case here we'll be using Binance Smart Chain because it has the lowest gas fees. Alright, but if you are trying to withdraw another crypto, you might see other networks that have lower gas fees, so you should be using those other networks. Okay, so that's dependent on each coin. Alright, so now let's use Binance Smart Chain, also known as BEP20, and it just says that you have to make sure to select the same network on both platforms. Okay, so yes, I'm sure. Now let's go to KuCoin and go to assets and main account, deposit and withdrawal. Here you can see all the coins in here. If the coin that you want to withdraw or send from Binance to KuCoin doesn't appear in here, just type in the name of it in here and it will appear. In our case it's USDT, and then click on deposit. So here on KuCoin we have this thing, which is main account and trading account and margin account, but it doesn't really matter because you can on any time or moment you can transfer from main account to trading account or across all these accounts in here, and it's for free. Okay, it's on asset overview. You can select the account and transfer from account to another account. Okay, so it doesn't really matter, just click or select the one that you want, and here we get to select the network that we want to be using. So if you remember, here we selected Binance Smart Chain. Let's head to here and look if it's available. All right, so this is Ethereum, this is Tron, and this is I think KuCoin's network, and Algorand and EOS. So as you can see, there isn't Binance Smart Chain in here, so it's not available. So now let's head back and check for the one with the lowest fees. So the only networks available on both platforms are Tron, which is TRC20, and ERC20, which is Ethereum. Of course we will not be choosing Ethereum because it's so expensive, so we'll be using Tron. And now let's head back to here and let's select TRC20 and copy the address and head back to here and paste it. And as you can see here, it changed, so click on it and select again the network, and here you have the ability now to put in the amount that you want to withdraw or send from Binance to KuCoin. So you can put in an amount manually or just click on max and it will select the whole amount that you've got of that coin into here. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have the minimum amount, which is 10 USDT to withdraw. The amount that you've put in here, it will appear in here, and just click on withdraw and then a pop-up will appear. So depending on the securities that you've had on your account, which is SMS or an email that contains a code that you need to put in to confirm the transaction. Alright, after you've done that and you click on continue, now it will take around 15 minutes to 20 minutes to appear on your account in here. Okay, so you need to head to assets overview. Depending on the account that you've selected on the deposit, either if it's main account or trading account, it will appear in there. Okay, so back again to what I've mentioned about transferring your assets from main account to trading account or across all these accounts. This is it. So if you have the assets on this account, just click on transfer and get to select the direction. For example, if you had it on trading account and you wanted it on the main account, just select it in this or change it, and then choose the coin that you want to transfer and put in the amount that you want to transfer and confirm, and it will transfer instantly with no fees. Alright, this is it. Super simple and easy. I hope you liked this explanation. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.